Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm coming to you guys with another aloe vera homemade recipe. This one is going to be a deep conditioning mask using aloe vera juice as well as avocado. If you're interested in this video, please stay tuned. So what you're going to need is 2 avocados. I got these avocados from Walmart. And then you're also going to need some aloe vera juice. You're going to need an essential oil. I'm going to be using peppermint, and then optional, I'm going to be using some aloe vera oil as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut up the avocados. I'm going to split them in half, and then I'm going to grab a spoon and just scoop out the insides into the blender. So after that, I'm going to add in my aloe vera juice. Sorry about this horrible angle. I didn't realize I had to move the camera up higher once I finished cutting up the avocados. But you know, I'm just working with what I got. So hopefully guys, you can see what I'm doing. Then I'm going to add like a spoonful of fenugreek seeds. So I just decided to experiment and add some fenugreek seeds to the mixture. Now, what I didn't realize was that the mixture, the fenugreek seeds, did not blend so well. You'll see that towards the end of this clip. So I would suggest sifting the deep conditioning mask once you're done blending it, if you decide to use fenugreek. So I'm going to go ahead and just blend everything together, and You'll see how smooth it comes out once in the next clip. So this part is optional as well, so I'm just gonna add some aloe vera oil into the mixture. I have videos on me making aloe vera oil and also making the aloe vera juice. I'll leave that down in the description box if you're interested. And then I'm also going to add a few drops of peppermint oil to the mixture and just blend everything together. I know I could have added all of this into the blender as well, but for some reason, I don't know, I just wanted to do it afterwards. I guess because, like, you know, the blender gets oily and sometimes it's hard to wash out the oil, so I rather do it after I done blended everything. So yeah. So I'm going to be applying this conditioner to my hair. I already shampooed my hair and I'm going to be using this as a deep conditioner. And you'll see when I said that the fenugreek seeds did not blend so well in the blender, you're going to see some of them just fall on my shirt, but it's okay. So it did take me a while to get the fenugreek out of my hair, so I definitely suggest sifting the deep conditioner through a sifter before you apply it to your hair, because you do not want to spend an extra 30 minutes trying to get that stuff out of your hair.
What we do here is go back.
So I'll be covering my hair up with a plastic bag, and then I'm going to leave it on my hair for about an hour, and I'm going to wash it out with warm water. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.